Hey up folks, Andy here, welcome back. Glad you all got in on time, we don't like people starting late. So cracking on with making the frame that will fit under the removable plate for the access to the water tank. So it's basically angle iron made into a rectangle. The plate will be welded underneath the cutout. The plate will sit onto the flange that we leave overhanging, which will have holes drilled in it. Double plate for the access to the water tank. So it's basically angle iron made into a rectangle. The plate will be welded underneath the cutout. The plate will sit onto the flange that we leave overhanging, which will have holes drilled in it, and stainless bolts welded underside. The plate will then be drilled, countersunk, and using 8mm stainless bolts will fasten down and make a watertight seal on the weld deck. So that's what I'm on with at the moment. So let's get these chopped off and then we'll get it welded into a frame. Okay, so it's all squared up, tacked up, but to keep it square while we weld it, because the welder will want to pull, we put some diagonals on to help us keep it square so the weld won't pull it with any luck. So that's what I'm doing. They get just took off once they've done, we'll just cut them and take them off. So I'm welding them up. Right, we'll get a fettle missus and then we'll cut them dangles off. There we go, they've gone. Never knew they were there. So we'll do that. And the next thing is to place it on there in its position. The plate is upside down, so that's it. Clamp it on and then I tack them on. There's Father Christmas coming out. Just been doing some presses. Right, carrying on with this now. So we've drilled it all. These all want countersinking. We can't do it, the countersink's blunt. We'll do that later. So they're bolted on. We'll turn it over now, weld the nuts on the other side. Right, it must be tea time. Jason's come round. That's it. We're all welded up. Stainless on inside on them nuts and mild steel on that. So we'll have a cuppa and then we'll get on with something else. That's it. We've put the weld to right and Pete's giving this a fettle up and then we're going to start having a look at getting it put in. Right, so what I'm doing here is, because that won't fit in one piece, you can't get it in, put it down past the gunnels. So I've actually got to cut it into 3 pieces. One large piece, the top piece across towards the pointy end, and the piece I'm cutting off, which is the side piece. So it's a bit more work, but it's the only way to get it all in, because you cannot tuck it in under those gunnels and everything. So that piece is coming off now, so I will have to weld along that on the front piece, but on top of that will go the lockers anyway, so it'll be strong enough without that anyway, no worry about that. Fully welded, it's the only way to get it in. So we're just a bit of messing about to get that one more bit cut off, then we can start putting it in. Right, so we flip that over and Pete's getting it a weld prep. It's like waiting for Christmas this, hurry up Pete. That's up there.
That's up to them bars. So you should put on them bars.
Yeah. Should just slide in there.
You only got a jigsaw puzzles, eh?
Looks like you might have one.
It's a big one.
Is it bigger?
Big jigsaw puzzle. Don't get in again.
Yeah, well,
Unless you want to go around and lift it.
can I get it? All the easy for me, wouldn't it?
No, don't.
Being dizzy.
Hang on, that's what
You're
shocking.
kidding, man.
You think you'd slide, wouldn't you?
If you could just...
Don't stand on him. Time it down. So
Yeah.
That's going to go that way, Chuck.
Yeah.
Looking at it.
All we've got to do now
Bit
then,
more tickling on there.
is we get a mains grinder, we'll move them over there, we'll
Take a
tickle
bit
that
off.
edge, that'll move over,
Yeah.
and we'll just do each bit like that.
right.
But,
It's grind it up.
bloody hell, I got caught up in there. You send down, he's let team down.
Oh, get on now.
Exactly what you're making, that's his fault.
Get on now.
Dave's stuck in middle now.
Don't send to the Home Office.
So that's it, he's in 3 bits. Says don't take a photo of me unless I'm sat down, they'll stop me benefits. So he just wants a little tickle.
Tickle on that side,
Little
once that's
tickle.
into place, there'll be tickle on this end.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then we can weld it in.
Looking good.
Right, just doing some final titivating and getting rid of any snots and anything that's in the way that's stopping that plate sitting down right. So we'll just bit cleaning up at the moment and then we're going to get it welded down. Right, time to get serious and get the airstream on, because the fumes from this lot, as you'll see, the smoke, it's not very good for you. It's bad enough with like virgin steel, but when you're welding into old steel, because it does, whatever's been on there does seep into the steel so much, and you start welding and there's all sorts of fumes come off it. So always get the airstream on even if we're outside. Now the easiest way to keep the plate down so we can weld it nice and tightly is to get somebody to stand on it and press it down. So Father Christmas is doing that for us here. Right, that's it then, there's no for it. I'm going to have to get under there. The bit I've been looking forward to in like all the Calcutta. And going to stitch that plate to the angle irons, so that's what I'm doing. That's it, I'm free. Got that bit done. Not too bad really. You know, it's you've got to stitch along those angle irons to hold the whole thing down. Else you're going to have a trampoline for a weld egg. So we'll just carry on up top. Right, I'm just getting a good coat of looking at and letting those that smoke clear a bit, because that's paint burning off on the other side of that bulkhead. And that beeping you can hear is the warning on my airstream telling me I need to change the filter because it's getting blocked because of all the crap that's come off at steel. So I better go and change it. Going on welding now, and this actually took about 4 hours to weld that in with sticks. So I'll just carry on. Here we are. Father Christmas is practising going down chimney. Hey, and that's the state of play now. We're about halfway with the welding. What we're on there, Pete? Day 4. 4 days of work, that lot, innit?
I think it's about 4 years, isn't it?
It feels it, doesn't it? Yeah. So if you're doing all like this, it takes some time. Right, that's it for today anyway. It's 7:15. So we'll be back tomorrow.